Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to our chemistry class. Today in this session, I am going to give you a very easy trick to remember the crystal systems. I think that you are familiar with that there are 7 crystal systems, and if you have idea, and already we know that there are 14 Bravais lattices, okay, 7 crystal systems and 14 Bravais lattices, okay. Now I am going to give the trick to remember the crystal systems, its axial distance and axial angles, okay. Before telling the names of the crystal system, I wanna give you the trick to remember the crystal systems, okay friends. See friends, here I am writing the trick. Charan took 100. Charan took 100 roses to meet Tamanna. Okay, this is our trick friends. Okay, Charan took 100 roses to meet Tamanna. Okay, see first this C we had to take C from Charan. Okay, T from took, O from 1, H from 100. Okay, and R from roses. Okay, T, see this R and 2, okay, or comes for the same crystal system, okay, R and T should be taken for one crystal system, okay, and M should be taken from meet, T should be taken from the Tamanna, okay. Now let me write the crystal systems. First we have seen C means what friends? Cubic, okay, C means cubic. T means tetragonal, okay, C means cubic, T means tetragonal, okay, O means orthorhombic, O means orthorhombic, H means hexagonal, okay, H means hexagonal, and next we have R, R means rhombohedral, okay, rhombohedral. I told you na R and T should be taken for the same crystal system. So rhombohedral, or it is also called as trigonal system, okay, trigonal, okay, rhombohedral or trigonal. Next what we have? M, M means monoclinic, okay, monoclinic, and T from Tamanna, that is triclinic, okay, triclinic, okay. See friends, cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, rhombohedral or trigonal, monoclinic and triclinic, okay. So Charan took 100 roses to meet Tamanna, okay. So these are the 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means these are the 7 crystal systems, okay. See, this cubic is symmetrical friends, okay. This thing you had to remember, okay, cubic. So this crystal system is symmetrical, okay. And see, this is triclinic. This triclinic is unsymmetrical, okay. This triclinic is unsymmetrical, okay. Now I am gonna write the axial distances, okay, and it is very easy friends to remember the axial distances for these crystal systems, okay. The first thing is, see, before telling the axial distance I wanna draw a cube, okay. See, this is the cube. Of course it is not that much good, but just for the sake of your understanding I am drawing like this, okay. This is the, assume this as a cube, okay. Here from this point to this, okay, it is considered as A, and this, this is considered as B, okay, and this is considered as C. So this is called as axial distance, okay, this is called axial distance. So now I am writing the axial distance for all the crystal systems. Okay, see, for the cubic crystal system, the axial distance is same for all. That means A is equal to B is equal to C. Okay, and for the tetragonal system, it is A is equal to B is not equal to C. Okay, and the third one is A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Okay, and again from hexagonal it repeats, means it starts like, next we had to write this one, that is A is equal to B is not equal to C, and next we had to write this one, that means A equals to B equals to C. Okay, and next for the last two, A is not equals to B is not equals to C. Here also A is not equals to B is not equals to C. Very easy, friends. Okay, first all are equal, means axial distances are equal. A is equal to B is equal to C, and here A is equal to B not equal to C. Here all are not equal in case of orthorhombic. Okay, next here we had to repeat from this. So for hexagonal, means hexagonal and tetragonal, the axial distances are same. Similarly, the axial distances for cubic and rhombohedral are same. Okay, and finally for the monoclinic and triclinic, all are not equal. That means these are similar to orthorhombic. So these are the axial distances, friends. Okay, next I'll write the axial angles. Okay, actually, friends, I don't want to make the lengthy video because it may consume your time. That's why here I have written. Okay, see, here are the axial distances. Okay, already now we learnt, okay, the easy way to write the axial distances for the crystal systems. Now these are the axial angles. Okay, this also we had to remember. Okay, see, already I said cubic is symmetrical. Symmetrical means all are equal. That means all the axial distances and all the axial angles are equal. So the cubic is symmetrical. Okay, and if it comes to triclinic, this is unsymmetrical. That means see, A is not equals to B, which is not equal to C. Okay, similarly the axial angle also. Okay, alpha is not equal to beta, which is not equal to gamma, and which is not equals to 90. So this is unsymmetrical. Okay, now I wanna tell at least one example for these. Yes, see, for the cubic, the example is copper. Okay, just remember in the cubic we have Cu na. So example for the cubic is copper, and of course we have some more examples like diamond, sodium chloride, potassium chloride. At least try to remember one example. So for the cubic the example is copper. Okay, next tetragonal. Okay, tetragonal means a T is there na, so just try to remember like titanium dioxide. Okay, and also silicon dioxide, like that. We have many more examples, friends, but at least try to remember one example. So for tetragonal the example is titanium dioxide. Next, orthorhombic. The example for the orthorhombic is what? Rhombic sulfur. Okay, rhombic sulfur and potassium nitrate. Okay, try to remember the rhombic sulfur, friends. Okay, rhombic sulfur comes under the orthorhombic crystal system. Okay, next, hexagonal. We are very well familiar with this hexagonal crystal system. The example for this is what, friends? Graphite. We know this. Okay, so this is the graphite. Okay, next, rhombohedral or trigonal. Okay, rhombohedral or trigonal. The example for this is I'll write here, friends, calcite. Calcite, calcite, and the formula for this is calcium carbonate. And one more thing I want to tell you, friends, and here also we have the example, that is cinnabar. Okay, cinnabar means what, friends? Mercuric sulfide. Mercuric sulfide is called cinnabar. Calcium carbonate is called calcite. These are the examples for the rhombohedral or the trigonal. Next, monoclinic. So the example for the monoclinic crystal system are monoclinic sulfur. Okay, monoclinic sulfur Okay. Next, triclinic. This is unsymmetrical, we know. And the example for the triclinic unsymmetrical crystal system is, hydrated copper sulfate, that is CuSO4 5H2O. So, hydrated copper sulfate is the example for the triclinic crystal system. Okay. Hope you understood the trick, friends. Okay. The trick is very simple, friends. Let me revise this quickly. Okay. See, here the trick is just to remember the names of the crystal systems. Okay. Charan took 100 roses to meet Tamanna. Okay. Just here we had to take the starting letters of these words. Okay. So, cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, rhombohedral or trigonal, monoclinic, triclinic. Okay. Cubic is symmetrical, triclinic is unsymmetrical, and it is very easy for us to remember the axial distance. Okay. First, all are equal. A is equal to B is equal to C. In the second case, A is equal to B, but it is not equal to C. In the third case, all are not equal. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. And from the hexagonal, we had to repeat. Okay. Hexagonal and tetragonal are same. Rhombohedral and cubic are same. And the last two are not equal. So, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Okay. So, axial distances are very easy for us to remember as, right? Yes. Next, axial angles. Axial angles also very easy, friends. See, for the first three crystal systems, all are equals to 90. Alpha is equal to, beta is equal to, gamma is equal to 90. So, these are the axial angles. See, for the hexagonal, alpha, beta are equals to 90, gamma is equal to 120. Okay. And rhombohedral means alpha, beta, gamma. All are not equal to 90. That is rhombohedral. Okay. For the monoclinic, alpha gamma is equal to 90, beta is not equals to 90. And for the last triclinic, okay, all are not equals to 90. And already I have given trick to remember at least one example for the crystal systems. For the cubic, copper is the example. For the tetragonal, titanium dioxide. For the orthorhombic, rhombic sulfur. For the hexagonal, we are very well familiar with this. So, graphite is the example for the hexagonal crystal system. And for the rhombohedral, okay, rhombohedral or the trigonal, these examples are very important, friends. Okay, try to remember. In exams the question may be asked just just to find the chemical formula for the calcite or the cinnabar, like that. So calcite means calcium carbonate, cinnabar means mercuric sulfide. Okay. And see, monoclinic, what the example I have given to you, friends? Monoclinic means monoclinic sulfur. Okay. Next, triclinic. Triclinic means just hydrated copper sulfate. Hope you understood the trick, friends. Okay, friends, if you like our trick, okay, don't forget to like, and friends, just try to share this to our friends. Okay, friends, thank you.